For these reasons, I would therefore, for my part, quash the impugned notices. The result, therefore, is that these petitions under Article 32 of the Constitution must succeed and are allowed with cause. The notice issued by the engineer officer, Land and Development Office, purporting to act on behalf of the Government of India, Ministry of Works and Housing, requiring the Express Newspapers Private Limited to show cause why the leisure that is the Union of India, Ministry of Works and Housing should not re-enter upon and take possession of plots numbers 9 and 10 Bahadur Shah Jafar Marg, New Delhi, together with the express buildings built thereon under clause 5 of the indenture of this dated March 17, 1958, for alleged breaches of clauses 2 under bracket 5 and 2 under bracket 14 thereof, and the earlier notice issued by the zonal engineer, City Zone Municipal Corporation, Delhi, requiring them to show cause why are aforesaid buildings should not be demolished under sections 343 and 344 of the Delhi Municipal Corporation Act 1957 are quashed. It is declared that the construction of the new express buildings on the residual portion of 2000 square yards on the western side of plots numbers 9 and 10 Bahadur Shah Jafar Marg with the increased FAR of 360 with a double basement for installation of a printing press for publication of a Hindi daily newspaper was with the permission of the lesser, that is the Union of India, Ministry of Works and Housing, and did not constitute a breach of clauses 2 under bracket 5 and 2 under bracket 14 of the lease deed. It is directed that the respondents, particularly the Union of India, Ministry of Works and Housing, the Delhi Development Authority and the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, shall forbear from giving effect to the impugned notices in the manner threatened or in any other manner whatsoever. It is further directed that the Union of India, Ministry of Works and Housing shall enforce its claim for recovery of conversion charges by a duly constituted suit or by making a law prescribing a forum for adjudication of its claim. It is also directed that the Municipal Corporation of Delhi shall compound the construction of the double basement of the new express building, the excess basement beyond the plinth limit and the underground passage on payment of the usual composition fee. Two concurring decisions were rendered by the other judges, who also quashed the impugned show cause notices on the ground that the notices were arbitrary and violate Article 14 of the Constitution of India. The operative portion in the decisions of the other two judges on the bench are set out below.